Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Today I'm going to show you all how to tie this half fan ghillie with a little ruffle by the side. So the first thing I'm going to do is to fold the edges of the ghillie. The rule for this ghillie tutorial today is 70-30. So one hand of the ghillie has to be really longer than the other hand of the ghillie. So I'm going to fold the edges. Thereafter I'm just going to make pleats. After making about 6 pleats on her head, I'm going to trace these pleats down towards her neck area on the right hand side of her face and also on the left hand side of her face. It is important to trace your pleats because when you bring the longer part of the ghillie to the front, which is the 70 part of the ghillie, when you bring it to the front, you discover that the pleats would align themselves. So you would no longer have to start from scratch in making your pleats. It's just going to be stress free. So that is the importance of tracing your pleats. So do not forget to trace your pleats. So after tracing my pleats, I'm going to hold the both hands of the ghillie like this. Let the 30 part of the ghillie, which is the shorter part of the ghillie, stay on top the longer part of the ghillie. Because I traced these pleats when I was tying the base ghillie, the pleats have already aligned themselves on the 70 part of the ghillie. These are the pleats. As you can see, they've already aligned themselves. So we have our first fold. I'm just going to place that on the second to the last pleat on the base ghillie. And then after doing that, I'm going to start making pleats. I'm just going to make a few round pleats before I start making fan pleats. So this is the point where I get to start making the fans. On my previous video, I made a detailed tutorial on how to tie a full fan ghillie. So if you've not watched that video, please try and watch it. If you want to be a professional in tying full fan ghillie, that video is for you. So I'm just going to link that video to this one right here so that you guys can go watch it. So I'm just going to make the fans right now. So after making my pleats, I'm going to pin this point so that the ghillie does not unravel. And I'm just going to pin also at different points so that the ghillie stays in place and it doesn't unravel. This is the remaining part of the ghillie that we are going to use to form the ruffle. So I'm not going to take the entire ghillie to the back and pin it like I usually do. I'm just going to pin some places, and then after tying this whole ghillie, I'm going to pick that hand up and then make ruffles. So for the 30 part of the ghillie, I'm just going to twist that and then place it on top the 70 part of the ghillie so that it stays secured. Right now, I'm just going to pick the 70 part of the ghillie and make ruffle, and this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to show you guys quickly what the back of your ghillie should look like. I'm actually going to open the back of my ghillie today. So I'm just going to twist that like this, and then that would be it. That will be all, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If it has been helpful, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share, and also comment in the comment section. If you've not watched my previous videos, please do that, because it's going to help you to know how to tie ghillie. And if you've not turned on your notification button, please do that, so that each time I post, you'll be the first to know. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.